best networking, connecting advice you can give to somebody who is just getting into this whole networking thing?
Start with why. Simon Sinek. I don't go up to somebody and say, what do you do? I go up to somebody and say, tell me about yourself. I go up to someone and say, what's going on in your world? I say to somebody, can we have a conversation and not talk about business for 5 minutes? And when you break that wall down and you're able to have a conversation with somebody, that is where you really build a relationship to do business. If you are talking to somebody and they have that wall up, either do a pattern interrupt to knock it down, and a pattern interrupt, I mean, do something that throws them off, like, wait, what just happened? Versus just doing the same old stage conversation that goes nowhere, and then you waste your time